Hey fam, it's me Holly and Tara and James Ellie.
Hi cool fam, this is Mary. Mary today cooking a simple greeny vegetable. Now I show you how to cook my simple vegetable. Add the cooking oil and next is the garlic. Fry the garlic until fragrance. After that, we add the hot water. Water is not so many, just maybe less than half cup. Let it boil and add the salt and the anchovy powder or the ikan bilis powder and of course the white pepper. You stir or mix the spices and now we add the spinach or the bayam. You must clean properly, soak with salt. After that you wash it 3 times. Vegetable is very nice to eat and very healthy. Mostly we eating this veggie all the time. Sometimes cooking vegetable is very tricky. You cannot get the right color. Sometimes overcook so the color is not there anymore. But if you cook like this slowly and the fire must be high heat because cooked vegetable must be fast. It's a few minutes only. Put slowly your vegetable and mix together and then you can see all the water it absorbed to the vegetable. After you're stirring the vegetable, cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now look at the veggie, it's very nice color. You see the color of the veggie is still there, it's very greeny, it's very nice. Just cook 2 minutes with the cover, that's all. And then you take out the cover and right away take out the vegetable. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for everyone.